digit are the sets. 624 plus 135. 4 plus 5, 9. Wait. There. 9. 2 plus 3. 5. 6 plus 1. 7. 7. 254 plus 154. 4 plus 4, 8. 8. 5 plus 10. Wait, no, that 5 plus 5, it is 10. Wait, 1 up and 0 down. 2 plus 1, it is 2, right? After 3, 4, 4, 4, and 4. 408. 368 plus 542. 8 plus 2. 10. 1 up and 0 down. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 4, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh, there's a mistake. 1, 1. Would not die. 1 up, 1 down. Phew. But 11 mistakes. 3 plus 1. It is 4. 4 plus 5. 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, you're correct. 9 is the answer.